Welcome to Smart Auto, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest heavy machinery and automotive innovations. Today, we're bringing you a detailed look at the 2025 Caterpillar G15 Motor Grader, a powerful and technologically advanced machine designed for high-precision grading and road maintenance. The 2025 Caterpillar G15 Motor Grader is built to handle the most demanding construction projects with ease. It features a powerful and fuel-efficient engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring optimal performance even in the toughest conditions. The machine's advanced transmission system allows for smooth gear shifts and seamless operation, making it easier for operators to maintain control while working on different types of terrain. One of the most significant highlights of the G15 is its state-of-the-art hydraulic system, which enables precise moldboard control. This ensures that operators can make fine adjustments with minimal effort, leading to a more accurate and efficient grading process. The improved responsiveness of the hydraulics is particularly beneficial for projects that require high precision, such as road construction and site preparation. Operator comfort has been a key focus in the design of the G15's cabin. The spacious and ergonomically designed cab features user-friendly controls, reducing fatigue during long working hours. The large, strategically placed windows offer excellent visibility, enhancing safety and accuracy while working. The cab is also equipped with a modern climate control system, allowing operators to work comfortably in different weather conditions. Additionally, noise and vibration levels have been minimized to ensure a smooth and pleasant operating experience. The G15 is packed with the latest technology to improve productivity and efficiency. It comes with an integrated grade control system that helps operators achieve the perfect slope and grade with minimal effort. This system reduces the need for rework and increases overall productivity by allowing operators to set grading parameters and monitor progress in real time. The intelligent control system ensures that the machine operates at peak performance while maximizing fuel efficiency. Durability and reliability are essential in construction equipment, and Caterpillar has ensured that the G15 meets these standards. Built with high-quality materials and components, the machine is designed to withstand harsh working conditions and heavy use. Regular maintenance has been made more convenient with easy-access service points, reducing downtime and keeping the grader in top working condition for extended periods. Versatility is another strong feature of the G15. Whether it's road construction, land grading, or site preparation, this motor grader is capable of handling a wide range of tasks. The adjustable moldboard and multiple attachment options make it suitable for various applications, providing contractors with a reliable and multifunctional piece of equipment. Fuel efficiency is a major advantage of the G15. The engine has been optimized to reduce fuel consumption without compromising power and performance. With advanced engine management systems in place, the machine automatically adjusts its performance based on workload and operating conditions. This not only lowers operating costs but also makes the G15 a more environmentally friendly choice. Safety is a priority in the design of the G15, and it comes equipped with several advanced safety features. The machine has a highly responsive braking system and advanced stability controls, ensuring maximum safety for operators. Multiple access points and handrails provide a secure way for operators to enter and exit the machine safely. Additionally, the enhanced lighting system improves visibility in low-light conditions, making nighttime operations safer and more efficient. Maintenance is made simple with the G15's smart diagnostics system, which monitors performance and alerts operators of potential issues before they become major problems. This predictive maintenance feature helps prevent costly repairs and extends the lifespan of the machine. The high-strength frame and reinforced components ensure long-term durability, allowing businesses to get the most value out of their investment. Another notable feature is the machine's compatibility with advanced telematics systems, which allow fleet managers to track and monitor the grader's performance remotely. These systems provide real-time data on fuel consumption, operating hours, and maintenance schedules, helping businesses optimize efficiency and reduce unnecessary costs. The 2025 Caterpillar G15 Motor Grader is an excellent choice for contractors and construction companies looking for a high-performance, reliable, and cost-effective grading solution. Its combination of power, precision, durability, and advanced technology makes it a standout machine in the industry. Whether you're working on a highway, a construction site, or a large-scale land development project, the G15 is designed to handle the job with ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching this in-depth review of the 2025 Caterpillar G15 Motor Grader. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, please consider subscribing to Smart Auto for more detailed reviews and insights into the latest heavy machinery and automotive advancements. Your support helps us bring you more high-quality content, and we look forward to sharing more exciting updates with you soon.